Take your new cord and put it behind the 2 middle cords. Take the right short cord behind that new cord and over the 2 middle cords. Take the left short cord over top of the other short cord. So you have them pinched here together, the 2 old short cords. Take the new long cord behind and up through those short cords and over the center cord. I'm going to pull the short cords a bit to make them more snug. Now we're going to finish that square knot. So the left cord is already over the 2 middle cords. Take the right cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. Pull it up and now adjust those 2 short cords so everything is nice and snug. Those 2 short cords you want to tuck behind. I'll show you how I hide them at the end of this video. And then you can just continue doing your square knots. This is a less likely situation, but it could happen. Take your new cord behind those cords that are too short. Now you want to tuck those behind and try to keep them tucked away as much as possible. I'm going to try holding them with my 2 fingers at the back. And now just do your square knot. So the cord over the middle, the other cord over that one, around the back and through the opening. It's not so graceful trying to hold those other cords out of the way. And now pull that up and then do your next knot. Now our next cord that we want to do the double half hitch is too short. So we're just going to tuck that in behind our work. Take a new cord, put it behind the filler cord. Take the other end of that same cord, go over top, around the back and through the opening. Take the same end again, go to the left of that first loop, around the back and up through the opening again. Just push those next to the other double half hitches and tuck that end in behind your work. And then just continue on with your double half hitches. When you're done, you want to hide your ends. I like using forceps to do this. They're very easy to use, but use whatever you have on hand. I just go in behind one of the double half hitches from the back, open the tip, grab my cord, and then pull that through. And then you want to trim that. For the square knot, it's very similar. I just go in behind, open the tip, grab my cord, and pull it through.